Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the shape, change the color, duplicate the shape. Then select the text, edit. Select another shape, size the shape, change the color. Save the shape, select the erase color. Select the 3D shape, extrusion. Select the shape, adjust the shape, save the shape. Then select another shape, remove the background, select the erase color. Change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.